Hey guys, welcome back to FixItPhillip. Today we have a 2004 Ford Freestar with a 3.9 liter V6. Customer was complaining of a oil leak. He thought it was coming from the oil filter or the oil filter housing on the bottom of the motor. Took a look at it yesterday, and it's coming from right above that. There's a oil pressure switch that sits underneath the alternator bracket. So we're going to take this apart and change out the oil pressure switch. We're going to loosen the belt tensioner. It's more towards the bottom in the back by the firewall. Let's see if I can get it from up here. Make sure you disconnect the battery first. More movies.
Are those silence movies?
Nope. I'll send it to you. Yeah. This van has plenty of other problems, but they're just trying to let it live a little bit longer and get past the season. It's like 176,000 miles on it. You just don't want to spend $20 a week on engine oil. Transmission is starting to slip, so we're gonna do a trans service, change the filter and the gasket. Told him more than likely his trans is going out, but flue doesn't look too bad. But we're gonna tell him we can do it anyway if he'd like to. See if it improves it at all. We're gonna do that also. Oh, it's raining. And this serpentine belt is all cracked and nasty. So we're gonna change that too. Look at that. Cracking. Show you guys what I'm doing here. So we had 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 long bolts. This one's just hanging there. We got to remove this bracket here, connected to the front of the AC compressor. I don't think we have to take it all the way off. And this bracket here, it's a black bracket that I'm getting that last bolt down here for that bracket that's squeezing this this bracket in. We can't get this bolt out until we take out this metal bracket here. Looks like there's another one a little bit higher up too. Right here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's there. There we go. There's one. Another one. There you go. There it is. So it was, where's my light? I could see it through the bottom, right through this little space here, that it was leaking right out of the connector. You can see all the wires all pushed out. I can just see oil coming straight out of here. Look. Oh yeah. That thing is filled with oil coming out of the, right out of the connector. Oh, a 20mm fits on it. It's probably just a really rusted 19. It feels pretty solid though. I'll just use that. That thing is filled with oil. So it was just coming right out of this connector here, which is not supposed to do that. Same thing. Just snug it down, not too tight, but pretty snug. Yeah. That's a done deal. Just gotta put it back. All right. And that is the belt routing diagram. If you need it, there it is. Here's a look at the bottom. When they came in, when the car was running, oil was streaming down from way up here. You can barely see the connector for the oil pressure sensor from here. They thought it was the oil filter housing gasket, but it was just the oil pressure switch. So the oil was coming down and just a stream coming right off the oil filter. And this is pretty much their everyday life for the past 6 months or so, and they finally got tired of buying oil. So far so good. It looks like it took care of it. You can see oil's been pouring everywhere underneath here. From leaking so long, it's going way back here. So that's it for the oil pressure switch on this 04 Ford Freestar 3.9 liter 6-cylinder. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in to Fix It Phillip. And remember, with Fix It Phillip, you can fix it. See you guys next time.